Show you is something called pinning tabs in Chrome. I find it really helpful. I kind of mesh it with Toby, which you can learn about here in this course. But this is a really simple way, if you use Chrome, to keep some of the websites that you use on a consistent basis up, and it just allows them to be kind of put to the side so you don't have like a bunch of tabs open and your browser looks messy and confusing. So here I have all of my, this is my Chrome browser. I've got all my stuff on it. But if you look over here on the left, you'll notice that I have 6 tabs that are kind of a smaller square compared to these tabs over here. They are pinned to the window. So anytime I open up Chrome, these 6 tabs will always show up on the very left-hand side. And what I do is I have like one Google Doc that I go to all the time. It has a lot of links to other Google Docs that I use consistently throughout the year. I have just Google Drive in general, so just drive.google.com. I have my Trello board. I have Schoology. I have Google Keep and the Couple ISD website. These are places that I go to pretty much consistently each day, and so I want them to be available to me all the time. So I just pinned the tab. So let me show you how to pin. I'm going to go to www.flipgrid.com. Let's say that as a teacher or as an or a principal, I have been using Flipgrid to get feedback from my staff consistently, and I'm going to use it all the time. Once I have the website up, I go up to the top of the tab and I right click on it and I choose Pin Tab. And as soon as I pin the tab, then that little tab is now its own tab in my pinned tabs. I can move these tabs around, so if I want Flipgrid to be at the very front of my tabs, I can, or I can put it in the middle. I really like to have Keep at the front, yeah, and then I want to move the Couple IC website, so I can kind of move those pin tabs around. If you'll notice, they won't go like they all sit together. And I can make as many of these pin tabs as possible, but then I can have these tabs, and I can go to a bunch of different websites if I want to, but these pinned tabs will always stay right there.